Hey there, have you ever recorded a voice memo on your iPhone and thought, I could make this better? Well, you're in luck. The Voice Memo app is super handy for trimming, replacing, or enhancing your recordings. Today, I'll show you how to edit your voice memos in a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Trim a voice memo. If you need to shorten your recording by cutting out some parts, just follow these steps. First, open the Voice Memo app on your iPhone. Next, select the voice memo you'd like to edit. Then tap the three-dot icon for more options next to the memo. After that, choose Edit Recording. Now tap the Trim button, which looks like a pair of scissors in the top right corner. Use the yellow handles to drag and select the section of the memo you want to keep. Finally, tap Trim and then Save to confirm your changes. Solution 2. Replace part of a recording. If there's a specific section you want to swipe out, you can easily replace it. Here's how. Open the Voice Memo app on your iPhone. Now select the recording you'd like to edit. Tap the three dots icon and choose Edit Recording. Move the playhead to the spot where you want to start replacing the audio. After that, tap Replace and start recording the new audio. When you're done, tap Pause and then tap Done to save your changes. Solution 3. Enhance your recording. Want to boost the audio quality of your voice memo? It's super simple. Here's what to do. Open the Voice Memo app on your iPhone. Select the voice memo you wish to enhance. Tap the three dots icon and choose Edit Recording. Tap the three-dot icon in the top left corner. Enable Enhanced Recording to automatically improve the audio quality. Now go back to your recording. Finally, tap Done to save the enhanced version. By following these steps, you'll easily be able to trim, replace, or enhance your voice memos and create some polished recordings. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips. And stay tuned for the next video. Happy recording.